Okay, so let's look at piecewise functions. It's a very important component of functions. All right, so it says let f of x be equal to x plus 2 if x is less than 2 and 2x plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 2. Evaluate f of 0, f of 2, and f of 4. So what we are going to do here is this. It's quite simple. You don't even have to stress a lot. Okay, so for a, since what? 0, what is 0? 0 is what? Is less than 2, right? Since 0 is less than 2, we are going to use the first equation. So we use the first what? Equation. That is, we are going to evaluate f of 0 using that equation. So we are saying f of 0 is equal to 0 plus 2, which is equal to what? 2. Consider. Then b, since 2 is what? Less than or equal to 2, is not greater than, but it's less than or equal to 2, right? So we are going to use the second equation. Use the second what? Equation. What we do? So we say f of 2 is just equal to, where there's 2, so we go 2 times 2 plus 1 to give us what? 5. Now with f of 4, which is c, f of 4, since, alright, since 4, is 4 greater than, or is 4 is actually greater than what? 2. 4 greater than what? 2. So we use the second equation. So we are saying f of 4 is equal to 2, then we put 4 there, plus 1 to give us what? 9. Let's look at another one. 2 says sketch the graph of this, another piecewise function, 1 over 2x plus 3 over 2 if x is less than 0, and negative x plus 3 if x is greater than or equal to 1. So how do we sketch? We are going to do this, like I said, it's quite simple. So let us have two graphs. So let us have the upper one. So let us start with the upper one. So 1 over 2x plus 3 over 2. They are saying if x is less than what? 0. So let's take any two possible values of x that are less than 0. So that we can have x there and y. So we can put 0. Since 0 is less than 1, then we can put just negative 1 there. We just need those two. So we plug in there. What do we get? 0 there. We leave with 1.5. So we get 1.5. This is 0 kairi, but 2 into 3 is 1.5. We put negative 1 here. We end up having negative half. Now negative half plus 3 over 2. So because of the same denominator, we just have 2 over what? 2, which is what? 1. So here we have 1. Now we do the same for the second equation, x plus 3. This one they are saying x is greater than or equal to what? 1. So we are going to get our two values of what? Y and x. So we can get 1 and 2 because these two are greater than or equal to 1. When you plug in there, I put there, I'm going to get 2. I put 2 there, I'm going to get what? 1. Then the only thing that has remained is sketching this. Can you fail to sketch, ladies and gentlemen? Because the question is done. Completely done. It just needs you now to put those coordinates, which I know you cannot fail. Okay, so let's have we start with the first one. So 0, 1, 1.5. So this is y, and this one here is x. So we can say 1.5 is here. You can see that is 1.5 is. So we put a dot there. Then the other one is negative 1. So we can say our negative 1 is somewhere here, and 1 can be somewhere there. So this is where we are. That's a point. So we draw it. Then, okay, we draw it. Sorry. Where they are meeting, that's where we are going to have. You know what I mean, eh? Then the other The other one is 1 comma 2, so we can say 1 can be somewhere here and 2 can be somewhere there. So what are we having? We're having somewhere there, right? Somewhere there. Then 2 comma 1, 2 can be somewhere here, then 1 is here. So we have something like this. So let's now just join them together. Let's now join. These are supposed to meet at 1 at some point, which is true. All right. So if I draw this line starting from there, it will go like that, and this one, it will go like this. If I draw properly, so make sure even yours that you are drawing is nice. So mine is going like that. So they are meeting somewhere here. Okay. So yeah, and that point is 1 comma 2. That point is 1 comma 2. So the 1 comma 2 is a solution to this entire equation now, entire function. 1 comma 2 is this entire solution to the what? To the equation. So that is how you do it. I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe on YouTube. I'm there under the same name.